Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain the effect size measure stikpetE using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My add-in is available on my GitHub account, and here's the link. You need the file stikpetE.xlam. Once you downloaded the file, you can open it with, then open Excel. Don't open the file with Excel, but just open Excel. Go for File, Options, Add-ins, and click on the Go button that's there. Then browse for the add-in, and it should get installed, which should give you access to a lot of additional functions I made. One of those being ES_FE. Now, FE is as mentioned, an effect size measure for a goodness of fit test. So, for example, a Pearson goodness of fit test. And it takes the chi-square test statistic, divides it over the maximum possible chi-square value, and then takes the square root out of that. To show you how this can be used, I have some example data in column A. The function of interest is this ES_FE, which is short for effect size. It needs the chi-square value, the sample size, and the minimum expected count. Now, if you, for example, used my TS Pearson goodness of fit test, I have a separate video on that. You should have all the output you need. Input you need. Here's the chi-square test statistic, so that's going to be the chi-square value. The sample size is there, and the minimum expected count is there. So I can just feed those into the function, and it gives us a FE of 0.40. We could convert this to Cohen W. I have a separate function for that, so I'm converting this one from FE to Cohen W, and it also requires the minimum expected count divided over the total sample size. So apparently Cohen's W would be 0.80. Then we can use some rules of thumb for Cohen's W. So there's a TH short for thumb rules, Cohen W. And in this case, that's going to indicate it's a large effect size according to Cohen page 227. Alright, and that was it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.